Robinhood gearing up for a more mature investing base with a new low-cost wealth management tool in private banking. Our Kate Rooney following that money for us and joins us with more. Hi, Kate.
Hi, Scott. Yeah, so Robinhood is rolling out a robo-advisor, private banking, and wealth management. It is the latest signal this company is growing up with their client base. When Robinhood went public, if you remember, it did have the reputation for being sort of for the meme stock trader crowd. Now it's looking to court more high net worth, sophisticated investors. They are undercutting on fees here. So the robo-advisor charges 0.25% annually. That is capped at $250 a year. But it's only for gold subscribers. They're also offering certain transfer incentives. The subscription is a key way that Vlad Tenev, the CEO, says they are going to break even, but there's some skepticism. I caught up with him here in San Francisco. He admitted subscriptions haven't worked that well historically in financial services, says they're using Amazon Prime and Costco for inspiration. Robinhood's got about $200 billion in customer assets. That pales in comparison to competitors. Think of Schwab, Vanguard, Fidelity. It's also now going up against some of the banks on private wealth. Tenev telling me they are trying to position for that massive wealth transfer from the baby boomers. He's also looking to differentiate with an AI research assistant they just rolled out. The bar, he says, is high still for using AI around investment advice. It is known still for hallucinations, still not generating investment ideas, though. Stock is off the lows. It's up more than 120%, though, if you look at the past year. Scott, back
All
to
right,
you.
Kate, thanks very much for that setup. You, in your most recent blog, this is no surprise to you in any way because you suggest wealth is on fire, as you've been talking about, and you watch really closely this whole industry.
We're the best business on Wall Street. We're the most reliable, most profitable. Every CEO is referring to their wealth business as, quote, a crown jewel on their quarterly conference calls. Robinhood is incredible at bringing on new users to their platform, maybe the best I've ever seen. And they've got really great user interface, really great tech. And it's smart. Like now you have all these users. Why would you let them grow up and graduate and go elsewhere? So I understand the impulse. It's a horrible business, though. $250 for quote unquote wealth management. That's like gas station sushi. I think what's more interesting that they're doing is the acquisition of the RIA custody business. And that one I actually think is going to work, and we might even kick the tires there. So I wouldn't get too excited about $200 wealth management, but get excited about Robinhood turning its technology on some of the thornier problems that advisors face when trying to service their clients.
Retail's also getting more ways, for lack of a better word, of just being invested in. eToro, for example, we talked about the other day. They're just more platforms.
Too many ways.
Maybe.
I would say.
Maybe.
Yeah.
But it just shows you the interest and opportunity that some of these companies think exists.
That's right.